Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Winter Elf Flower quest in Heartopia Winter Frost season. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the Winter Utopia and meet Blank. And then you're going to take the Winter Elf Flower quest from her. Since I have already taken the quest appear right here. And I need to purchase Highland Poppy seeds and plant the Highland Poppies. You can buy the Highland Poppy seeds from her. Okay, I've already purchased the red Highland Poppy seeds and also the yellow one. And now it's time to plant the Highland Poppies in our garden. Wait, I'm going to go back to my garden, guys. Okay, I've already arrived at my garden, and then we can open our backpack and equip the Highland Poppy seed. Okay, I'm going to plant here. Oops. Oh, sorry, we can't plant the flower on the planter, so I'm just going to place it here. Oh, I got rewards. Okay, just like this, guys. And I've already completed the quest, I guess. Yeah guys, I've already completed the quest, and that's how we can complete the Winter Elf Flower quest in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!